In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to import products into QuickBooks Online. We'll walk through the exact path in QuickBooks Online and make sure you know what to expect at each step. Before you start, it helps to have your product list ready in a clean spreadsheet, typically a CSV or Excel file. Include clear headers like name, SKU, description, sales price, and any account or tax details you use. Keep SKUs unique and double-check for duplicate product names or extra blank rows, as those can slow you down during import. First, sign into QuickBooks Online and head to your main dashboard. From there, look to the top right and click the Settings gear icon. This opens a menu of tools and preferences for your company. In that menu, select Products and Services. This is where your entire item catalog lives, including services, non-inventory items, and inventory products. On the Products and Services page, find the New button. Rather than clicking the button itself, click the small drop-down arrow next to it. In that drop-down, choose Import. This takes you directly into the import workflow where you'll start and confirm bringing your product list into QuickBooks. On the import screen, upload your file by dragging it in or browsing to it on your computer. QuickBooks will read your headers and try to match each column to a field, such as name, SKU, description, sales price, purchase cost, income account, expense account, and tax. Review every mapping carefully. If QuickBooks matched a column incorrectly, use the drop-down to select the right field. If you have a column you don't need, set it to Do Not Import so it's ignored. If your file contains quantities on hand or costs for inventory items, make sure your company is already set up to track inventory. If you don't track inventory yet, leave those columns out to avoid errors. Also confirm that account names in your file match the accounts in your chart of accounts and that tax settings align with how you collect sales tax. When everything looks good, continue to the preview. You'll see how many rows are ready to import and any issues flagged for correction. Fix mismatches, remove duplicates, and verify taxability. Then confirm to start the import. After the import finishes, you'll get a success message. Take a moment to spot check a few items and products and services. Open one or two products, verify the price, SKU, and assigned accounts, and make any quick edits you need. That's it. Your products are now in QuickBooks Online and ready for use on estimates, invoices, and purchase transactions.